The University of Nigeria Nsukka, in collaboration with OilServe Limited Group of Companies, announces her 6th Biennial African Nano Conference and Workshop on Application of Nanotechnology to Energy, Environment, Agriculture and Health. Theme: Nanotechnology, a catalyst for industrial development and national transformation. Scheduled to take place on the 14th to the 19th of July 2025. The opening ceremony will hold on the 15th of July 2025. Abstracts are invited on topics of relevance to the conference theme and applications of nanotechnology in the energy, environment, agriculture and health sectors. For updates, please visit our website, www.nanotechunn.com, or our social media handles, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, at Nano Research Group UNN.